Hello everyone, I'm Donnie. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a paperback book cover using your own images. So we'll open BookCoverly and select New, and in the specs, I'll put 9 inches for height and 12 inches for width, which is the front and back covers combined. My page count is 248 for the spine width generator, and we'll keep the color mode at RGB and the DPI at 300. This will be for a romance book. Let's do the background color in a dark plum. I'll add in the title and use a serif font. I'll set the size at 72 and make it flush left. And we'll position this over in the left corner. I'll duplicate the title by typing Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V on my keyboard to make the author name. And I'll make the name just a bit larger than the title. Now let's add an image I illustrated in Procreate. This cute guy is a PNG file, so the background is transparent. And I'll move him to the bottom layer. Let's stick a couple palm trees in the background. It's a little hard to read the title and author, so I'll duplicate these, making the bottom layer black so it creates a subtle drop shadow to help them pop out from the lighter colors. Now they're a little easier to read. Okay, let's move to the back cover. I'm going to copy and paste text from another program right into the text box. Let's make this in a serif font like Baskerville. And I'll change the style from flush left to justified and space out the lettering at 3 points. This looks good. I want the first sentence to be larger, so I'll put in a tag. These are just little code tags that you would type in the text box to change the text style. I'll also add an italic tag to the book title like this. I want to add a small graphic to the back to tie everything in. We'll add another palm tree. Then I'll use another tag to indent the copy in the text box. Let's adjust this so the spacing looks more balanced. Okay, let's work on the spine copy. I'll duplicate the title layer, reduce the size, and change the orientation to vertical. Let's make this a teensy bit smaller. And then we'll dupe that for the author name. Now we'll add in the ISBN barcode, which is completely optional, But if you need to place your own barcode on, this works great. Just enter your ISBN, then an optional area for your price. Each country has its own pricing code, so for the US, for example, the code is 5 followed by your price. Here we have $12.95. Just for fun, let's add a subtle pattern to the background. I'll give this a little more transparency so it's not overpowering. We'll duplicate it for the back. All done. Now I'll save my work. Then I'll go to Cover and Generate As to generate to a print quality PDF. Now we'll convert this over to an ebook. I'll set the resolution at 300 dpi and the size to a standard 1800 by 2560. We'll show the front side only. Then I'll select where I want to save the file. I'll name the file and select JPEG and hit Export. Here's the ebook image. And there you have it. We've created a nice book cover ready to publish. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial.